How to force restart iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. The home screen is the primary interface for accessing apps, widgets, and system controls. To restart your iPhone, press and hold either volume button and the side button until the power off slider appears. And then drag the slider to turn off your iPhone and wait for it to power down. To turn it back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Alternatively, tap on the Assistive Touch button to open the menu. Tap on Device from the options. Then, tap on More. From here, select Restart. Tap on Restart again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily force restart iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.